How to turn off weather alerts on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the weather application on your phone. The weather app provides comprehensive weather information for your current location and other saved locations. Then, tap on the three dots at the top right corner and go to Notifications. You can manage the weather notification settings from here. Here, go to the Current Location section and turn off both the Severe Weather and Next Hour Precipitation switches. After that, tap on Done. The weather app can no longer send you notifications for relevant severe weather alerts. Following these steps, you can easily turn off weather alerts on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.